Hello, everyone. This is Nancy Rebecca, and this is a guided meditation on healing and repairing your own aura. So go ahead and close your eyes and turn within. Say hello to your body and say hello to your spirit. And take a nice few deep breaths to help you just kind of internally relax. Now imagine yourself well grounded to the center of the earth. You can use any image that you want to work with, or you can simply use an ancient old tree with deep roots that are going to go that 4,000 miles deep and wrap around the core of the earth to really help anchor your grounding, but also create a way to release any excess energy. So go ahead and ground yourself to the center of the earth and pretend and imagine that you know exactly what you're doing, because as spirit you do. Allow gravity to pull at those roots. Just imagine those roots going deeper and deeper and deeper. And you want to ground the whole lower part of your body from the hips down, as well as your feet. You can imagine roots coming out of your feet as well. Wonderful. Now imagine that root system drinking in earth energy, that nourishing, nurturing earth energy that's very gentle and supportive and warm liquid light that's going to travel up through your legs and into your pelvis all the way up to about your navel area. And then imagine it cascading all the way back down to the center of the earth, washing out any old energy. So drawing it up through the legs, through the pelvis, back down your grounding again to get yourself well grounded. Nice. All right, now create a large ball. Just call into cosmic energy, call into the room with you a large ball of golden cosmic energy. It's very uplifting energy, it's very healing. And then imagine that golden light beginning to just flow down through your whole aura, rinsing, balancing, harmonizing your aura all the way down to your feet and below your feet. Now check your aura and pretend and imagine that you can do this because you can. And check to see that your aura above your head is 1 to 2 feet high, below your feet, 1 to 2 feet below, 1 to 2 feet to the right, left, front, and back. So just imagine that you're just checking your aura all the way around 360 degrees, that egg shape. And if it's a little tight on one side, just splash a little gold there, expand it like you're just fluffing out a parachute. If it's thin in some spots, just rinse it with a little bit of gold. If you see a little hole or a tear, just splash it with a little bit of gold. I'm a nurse, so I like to work with gold cosmic thread sometimes if I find an opening. And a common open area is behind the head. So check your aura 360 degrees around, and just using a little bit of golden cosmic energy, you can repair, heal, balance, and harmonize your own aura. If it feels a little thick, like over the head from mental energy, just increase the flow of the gold with the intention to dissolve that mental energy that's stuck in your aura. If you're feeling a little dizzy or maybe a little nauseated, just increase the strength of your grounding. Because as you repair your aura, you're increasing the surface area that allows more information to flow through to you and then back out to your environment. And the vibration goes up, so you may need just a little extra grounding to help stabilize your aura a bit more. Beautiful. So whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and open your eyes and know that if you'd like more time healing, repairing, balancing, and harmonizing your own auric field, you can just pause the recording and continue on. If you'd like to learn more, I do have the home study program that you can find. It's a year-long program where I have voice-guided teachings and meditations so that you can learn more about working with your own energy field. And if you live in the Tacoma area, we have in-person classes. You can just check our calendar. Just go to our website, intuitivemind.org, to find out more information. I'm also on Facebook under my business page, Intuitive Mind, every week on Thursdays at 7 a.m., talking about the dynamics of a healthy human auric field and chakras and spirit and consciousness and all kinds of things about energy. So thank you again for listening. Please place in the comments section your own experience that you had when you did this meditation, and I would love to hear from you. All right, thanks everyone.